Ladies and gentlemen, in this beautiful world, the most powerful thing you have is your dream. It does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be real. Dreams light up your soul. They whisper in your ears. Even when the world gets too loud, they're your own private song, the music that keeps you alive. When you hold on to a dream, you have already won half the battle. But remember, dreams do not work unless you do. The power of dreams is beyond imagination. Dreams are not just random wishes. They are the reflection of your deepest desires. They are the pieces of your heart that long to be seen, heard, and felt. When you have a dream, you are holding a vision of what your life could be. It might seem fragile at first, like a tiny flame in a storm, but it carries the potential to light up your entire world. Dreams are not about being practical or realistic. They are about being true to who you are. They are the gentle nudge that wakes you up in the middle of the night and whispers, "You can do it." They are the voice that says, "Even if nobody else believes in you, I believe in you." They are the reason you keep going even when everything else seems to stop. Many people give up on their dreams because they think they are not good enough or smart enough. But your dreams are not measured by your skills or your background. They are measured by your courage to believe in them. Do not let the world's noise drown out the music of your soul. Your dreams are valid simply because they are yours. When you dream, you connect with your most honest self. You peel back the layers of doubt and fear and see what really matters to you. You see the life you want to create, the person you want to become. That vision can guide you through the darkest times. It can be the lighthouse that keeps you steady in the roughest seas. Your dreams do not have to be big or fancy. They just have to be real. If your dream is to be kind to one person every day, that is enough. If your dream is to travel the world, write a book, or build a family, that is enough. What matters is that your dream matters to you. It does not have to impress anyone else. Sometimes you will feel that your dream is too far away, like a star you cannot reach. But remember, stars are meant to shine from a distance. They light up the night sky, and that light can guide your path, even if you cannot touch them. In the same way, your dreams can light up your journey even if they seem out of reach. When you decide to dream, you are making a choice to hope. Hope is not always easy, especially when life gets tough. But hope is the heartbeat of your dreams. It keeps them alive, even when the road is long. Hope says, "I will keep going." Hope says, "I will try one more time." So take a moment to sit with your dream. Close your eyes and let them fill your mind. Feel the joy they bring you. Feel the warmth they create in your heart. Let them be your secret place, your quiet sanctuary when the world gets too loud. And then, do not let them stay as just dream. Hold them close, believe in them, and know that they are the start of everything. You have the power to turn your dreams into plans, and your plans into actions. But it all begins with the courage to dream. So dream it, because that is the beginning of everything. The second step is planning. Planning is like drawing a map for your journey. It is the promise you make to yourself that you will not give up. Planning does not have to be perfect either. It only has to be honest. Write your plans with your heart, not just your head. Let them be real. Let them be simple. Let them be flexible. Because life will always have its surprises. Planning with intention is the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. It transforms the flicker of hope in your heart into a clear path forward. Without a plan, dreams can drift away like leaves in the wind. Beautiful, but directionless. When you plan with intention, you give your dream a shape, a timeline, and a purpose. You turn what feels like a distant wish into something you can reach for, step by step. Planning is not about making everything perfect or having all the answers before you start. It is about taking the time to pause, reflect, and decide what you want to do next. It means breaking down your big dream into smaller, manageable pieces. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the size of your goal, you create bite-sized actions that you can tackle one at a time. This keeps you motivated and prevents you from losing sight of the bigger picture. When you plan with intention, you acknowledge that your dream is worth the effort. You give yourself permission to invest time, energy, and focus into making it real. Planning requires honesty. Honesty about your strengths, your limitations, and the resources you have. It's about recognizing where you are now and where you want to be, then figuring out how to close that gap. This self-awareness helps you read a plan that is realistic and achievable. A good plan is flexible, not rigid. Life rarely follows a straight line. Unexpected challenges, opportunities, and changes will come your way. When you plan with intention, you build room for adjustment and growth. You do not see your plan as a fixed rule, but as a living guide that evolves with you. This mindset keeps you resilient. Instead of giving up when things don't go as expected, you adapt, learn, and keep moving forward. Planning also means setting priorities. Not everything on your to-do list will have the same impact on your dream. With intention, you learn to focus on what matters most. You ask yourself tough questions like, which action will bring me closer to my goal, and what can wait for later? This helps you use your time and energy wisely, avoiding distractions and staying committed to your vision. Another important part of planning with intention is setting deadlines. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help you avoid procrastination. They push you to take action even when motivation wanes. When you break your dream into smaller goals with clear deadlines, each milestone becomes a celebration. These wins fuel your confidence and remind you that progress is happening. Planning is not just about the what and when, but also about the why. Understanding why your dream matters to you keeps your plan rooted in purpose. This deep connection to your goal strengthens your resolve during difficult times. When you know your why, it becomes easier to say no to things that don't align with your vision, and yes to opportunities that support your growth. Involving others in your planning can also be powerful. Sharing your dream and plan with trusted friends, mentors, or a community creates accountability. When you know others believe in you and are cheering you on, you are more likely to stay on track. Support systems offer encouragement, advice, and perspective when you need it most. Planning with intention transforms vague hopes into actionable steps. It brings clarity to confusion and order to chaos. It gives you a sense of control and confidence because you are no longer waiting for luck or perfect conditions. You are actively creating your future. This process builds momentum and keeps your dream alive, even when the journey is tough. Sometimes planning may feel overwhelming or exhausting, especially when the path ahead is unclear. But remember, a plan does not have to be set in stone from the start. Begin with what you know and build from there. Small, intentional steps create a ripple effect that leads to bigger breakthroughs. The key is to start, keep moving, and trust that your plan will grow as you do. When you plan with intention, you honor your dream by treating it seriously. You shift from wishing to doing. You create a roadmap that guides your actions and measures your progress. You build a foundation strong enough to support your dreams through the ups and downs of life. Finally, it is time to do it. There is no shortcut here, no magic formula, just start. Even if you are scared, start. Even if you do not know how, start. Every little step you take is a victory. Every mistake you make is a lesson. Every day you show up is proof that you believe in your dream. You do not have to be fearless. You only have to be brave enough to try. The world is full of stories that were never told because someone was too scared to begin. Do not let that be your story. Taking the first step despite fear is one of the most courageous acts you will ever do. Fear is natural. It is part of being human. When you stand on the edge of something new, your mind fills with doubts, worries, and what ifs. What if I fail? What if I am not ready? What if I am not good enough? These questions can freeze you in place, making the comfort of staying where you are seem safer than moving forward. But growth, change, and success all live on the other side of fear. The first step is the moment you choose to face your fear instead of running from it. It is the moment you decide that your dream is more important than your doubts. Taking that step does not mean you have no fear. It means you feel the fear and do it anyway. That is bravery. It is not about being fearless. It is about refusing to let fear control you. Many people wait for the perfect moment to begin. They want all conditions to be just right, all plans finalized and all risks removed. But perfect moments are rare and often imaginary. Life is messy and unpredictable. Waiting for everything to be perfect only delays your progress. The truth is, the perfect moment to start is now right here, exactly where you are. The first step does not have to be giant or dramatic. It can be small and simple. What matters is that you move forward. Taking the first step means embracing uncertainty. You cannot predict exactly what will happen or guarantee success, but you can promise yourself that you will try. Trying opens doors that would have remained closed if you stayed still. Each step you take creates momentum, and momentum is what drives you closer to your goal. It builds your confidence and reduces fear because action brings clarity. Action turns your dream from an idea into reality. When you start doing, you learn more about yourself and your dream. You discover what works and what does not. You find strengths you did not know you had and develop new skills. This learning only happens when you move beyond thinking and planning into doing. Fear often grows bigger in your mind than it is in reality. The stories you tell yourself about what might go wrong can stop you from even trying. But when you take the first step, you realize that the challenges are manageable. The fears begin to shrink because you face them head on. Each small success pushes fear further away and replaces it with hope and excitement. It helps to remember that no one starts as an expert. Everyone begins somewhere. The people you admire, who seem confident and successful, were once beginners too. They took their first step without knowing all the answers. They made mistakes, learned, and kept going. Your journey will be no different. You do not have to have everything figured out before you start. You only need the courage to take that first step. Taking the first step despite fear also means being kind to yourself. You may stumble or fail, and that is okay. Failure is not the end, but a part of the process. It teaches you lessons and makes you stronger. When you are gentle with yourself, you allow room for growth and resilience. You remind yourself that progress is more important than perfection. Surrounding yourself with supportive people can make taking the first step easier. Encouragement from friends, family, or mentors can boost your confidence. Hearing someone say, "I believe in you," can help drown out the voice of doubt. Sometimes all you need is a little push from someone who sees your potential. Remember, taking the first step is a powerful declaration of hope. It is saying to yourself and the world that your dream matters. It signals the start of your journey, and every journey begins with one step. No matter how slow or small, that step moves you forward and closer to the life you want to create. Adjusting your plans when life changes is a vital skill on the road to achieving any dream. No matter how carefully you plan, life has a way of throwing curveballs, unexpected events, new opportunities, challenges, or shifts in priorities. The ability to adapt and adjust your plans with flexibility and grace separates those who give up from those who keep moving forward. It is not a sign of failure to change your plan. It is a sign of wisdom and strength. When life changes, the first step is to acknowledge the shift honestly. Denial or resistance only wastes energy and time. Instead, take a moment to pause, breathe, and assess the situation. What has changed? How does this affect your goals? What new realities do you need to face? This honest evaluation helps you understand where you stand and what adjustments are necessary. Flexibility in planning means being open to new possibilities without losing sight of your core dream. Sometimes change can feel like a setback, but it can also be an opportunity in disguise. Life's unexpected twists might open doors you never imagined. When you adjust your plans, you create space for growth and innovation. This mindset allows you to shift course without losing momentum. Adjusting your plan also means being kind to yourself. Change can bring uncertainty and discomfort. You might feel frustrated or worried about losing progress. But remember, a plan is a tool, not a rule etched in stone. It exists to serve you, not to limit you. Allow yourself the grace to change direction when needed. This kindness strengthens your resilience and keeps your motivation alive. One practical way to adjust your plans is by breaking down your goals into smaller steps and timelines. When circumstances shift, revisit these smaller pieces. Which steps still make sense? Which need to be modified or postponed? This process helps you stay organized and focused without feeling overwhelmed. It also gives you a clear picture of what you can control and what you need to let go. Communication is key when adjusting plans, especially if your goals involve others. Share your changes with those who support you or are part of your journey. Transparency builds trust and creates a network of support. When others understand your situation, they can offer help, encouragement, or new ideas. Collaboration often leads to creative solutions you might not find on your own. Adjusting your plans also requires letting go of perfectionism. The idea that your plan must be flawless can trap you in a cycle of frustration and procrastination. Instead, embrace imperfection and view your plan as evolving. Each adjustment is progress, not failure. This acceptance reduces stress and frees you to take action despite uncertainty. Learning to adjust your plans is a practice that grows stronger with experience. The more you face change and respond with flexibility, the more confident you become. You begin to see change not as a threat, but as a natural part of the journey. This confidence allows you to move forward with calm and clarity, even when the path is unclear. Reflection plays an important role in adjusting plans. Regularly take time to review your progress and your plan. Ask yourself, is my plan still aligned with my dream? Are there new challenges or opportunities I need to consider? Reflection keeps your plan relevant and your goals in focus. It also helps you celebrate the progress you've made, which fuels motivation. Sometimes adjusting plans means changing your priorities. Life circumstances such as health, family, or career shifts may require you to pause or slow down certain goals. This is not giving up, but making wise choices that honor your well-being and overall life balance. Prioritizing self-care and flexibility ensures that your pursuit of dreams is sustainable and joyful. The ability to adjust your plans gracefully is a powerful form of self-leadership. It means you are actively steering your life rather than being controlled by circumstances. You remain committed to your dream while navigating the changing landscape with wisdom and courage. This adaptability is what keeps dreams alive through the twists and turns of life. Believing in yourself is the foundation on which every dream is built. Without self-belief, even the clearest plans and biggest dreams can falter. It is the quiet confidence that whispers to you in moments of doubt, reminding you that you are capable, worthy, and strong enough to face whatever comes your way. Self-belief is not about arrogance or thinking you are perfect. It is about trusting in your ability to learn, grow, and overcome challenges. Many people struggle with self-belief because of the voices inside their heads or the opinions of others. Negative thoughts can create barriers that feel impossible to break. You might hear messages like, "I am not good enough," "I will fail," or "I don't deserve this." These lies chip away at your confidence and hold you back from taking action. But self-belief means choosing to challenge those voices and replace them with truth. Believing in yourself begins with self-awareness. It means recognizing your strengths, skills, and past achievements. Every success, no matter how small, is proof that you have what it takes to succeed again. When you focus on your strengths, you build a positive foundation for your confidence. At the same time, self-belief involves accepting your weaknesses without judgment. Everyone has areas to improve, and accepting this makes you more resilient, not less. Self-belief grows through action. Each time you try something new or face a fear, you build trust in your abilities. Success is not always immediate, and sometimes you will stumble, but every effort moves you forward. This process teaches you that you can handle challenges and learn from mistakes. Over time, this experience strengthens your belief in yourself more than any words ever could. It helps to surround yourself with people who believe in you. Supportive friends, mentors, or communities remind you of your worth when your own confidence wavers. Their encouragement can be a powerful boost, especially during difficult times. At the same time, it is important to limit time with those who drain your energy or undermine your dreams. Protecting your mindset is part of believing in yourself. Belief in yourself also means embracing your uniqueness. You do not have to follow someone else's path or meet others' expectations to be successful. Your journey is your own, shaped by your values, dreams, and passion. When you honor this, you become more confident in your decisions and less swayed by doubt or comparison. This authenticity fuels your self-belief and keeps you aligned with your true purpose. Practicing self-compassion is a key part of building belief. Treat yourself with kindness, especially when things go wrong. Avoid harsh self-criticism or unrealistic standards. Instead, speak to yourself as you would to a close friend, with understanding and encouragement. This gentle approach nurtures your confidence and makes it easier to keep moving forward, even after setbacks. Visualization can also strengthen self-belief. Picture yourself succeeding, overcoming obstacles, and living your dream. Imagine the feelings of pride, joy, and fulfillment that come with achievement. These mental images create a powerful connection between your mind and heart, making your dream feel more real and attainable. Visualization prepares you to act with confidence in the real world. Believing in yourself is a daily practice, not a one-time event. Some days your confidence will feel strong, and other days it may falter. That is normal. The important thing is to keep choosing belief over doubt, even when it is hard. Every time you do, you reinforce the habit of self-trust and courage. In moments of challenge, remind yourself of your why your dream matters, why you started, and why you deserve success. This reminder can anchor your belief when external circumstances shake your confidence. Holding on to your why connects you to your deeper purpose and strengthens your resolve. Ultimately, believing in yourself opens doors. It frees you to take risks, try new things, and reach higher than you thought possible. It allows you to face fear with courage and setbacks with resilience. When you believe in yourself, you step into your power and become the author of your own story, creating a life that reflects your dreams and potential. Celebrating small wins and progress is an essential part of staying motivated and moving forward on the path to your dreams. Often people focus only on the big achievements and overlook the small victories that happen every day. But these small wins are powerful. They build momentum, boost confidence, and remind you that your efforts are making a difference. When you learn to celebrate progress, no matter how tiny, you create a positive cycle that fuels further action and growth. Small wins are the stepping stones that lead to bigger successes. Each task completed, each challenge overcome, and each lesson learned is a victory worth acknowledging. These moments show you that you are capable and moving in the right direction. They break down overwhelming goals into manageable parts, making your dream feel more achievable and less intimidating. Celebrating progress helps shift your focus from what is lacking to what you have accomplished. This positive mindset reduces feelings of frustration and discouragement that can arise when the bigger goal seems far away. Instead of waiting for perfection or a major milestone to feel proud, you create joy and satisfaction in the journey itself. This makes the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Acknowledging small wins also builds your confidence. When you recognize your achievements, you reinforce the belief that you can succeed. This confidence becomes a powerful motivator, encouraging you to take on new challenges and push beyond your comfort zone. Each celebration, no matter how small, is a reminder of your strength and potential. Finding ways to celebrate can be simple, but meaningfully. It might be as small as saying, "Well done" to yourself, sharing your progress with a friend, or taking a moment to reflect on what you have accomplished. Sometimes rewarding yourself with a favorite treat, a break, or doing something you love can mark these moments and make them special. The key is to create rituals that honor your effort and growth. Celebration is also a form of gratitude. When you appreciate your progress, you acknowledge the hard work, dedication, and perseverance you have invested. Gratitude opens your heart and mind to positivity, helping you stay connected to your purpose. It reminds you why you started and why your dream matters, keeping your motivation alive. Recognizing small wins helps you stay patient. Big dreams take time, and progress may feel slow. But when you celebrate the small steps, you keep your spirits high and avoid burnout. Patience and persistence go hand in hand, and celebration strengthens both. It encourages you to keep going even when the path seems long. Celebrating progress creates a sense of accomplishment that fuels your next steps. It turns the journey into a series of meaningful experiences rather than a distant, overwhelming goal. This mindset makes it easier to stay committed and focused because you see the value in every action you take. Sharing your wins with others can multiply their impact. When you tell friends, family, or mentors about your progress, you invite encouragement and support. Their cheers and recognition boost your morale and remind you that you are not alone. Community celebration builds connection and accountability, which are important for sustaining momentum. Sometimes small wins come disguised as lessons from mistakes or setbacks. Celebrating these moments means acknowledging growth even when the outcome was not perfect. It means valuing effort and learning over flawless results. This perspective nurtures resilience and encourages you to keep moving forward with a positive attitude. Tracking your progress visually can enhance your celebration. Keeping a journal, checklist, or chart of your achievements allows you to see how far you have come. This tangible evidence of progress can be incredibly motivating on days when you doubt yourself or feel stuck. Looking back at your journey reminds you that every step matters. Celebrating small wins is not just about feeling good. It is a strategic way to build momentum and maintain focus. It creates a foundation of positive energy that sustains you through challenges and setbacks. When you celebrate regularly, you train your mind to see success as a continuous process, not a distant destination. In the grand story of your dreams, small wins are the chapters that carry you forward. Each one adds depth, richness, and meaning to your journey. By honoring these moments, you keep your motivation alive, your confidence strong, and your spirit joyful. This celebration becomes a powerful force that propels you toward your ultimate goal with hope and determination. Consistency and resilience are the twin engines that drive progress toward any meaningful goal. Dreaming and planning are important, but without steady effort and the strength to keep going, when things get tough, even the best intentions can fall apart. Consistency means showing up day after day, putting in the work, no matter how small the step or how slow the progress. Resilience is the inner strength that helps you bounce back from setbacks, failures, and disappointments. Together, they create a powerful force that turns dreams into reality. Consistency is not about grand gestures or perfect performances. It is about commitment. It is the choice to do what you said you would do, even when motivation fades or distractions arise. Consistency builds habits, and habits become the foundation of success. When you consistently work toward your goal, you create momentum. Momentum is the natural energy that makes it easier to keep moving forward, because each action feeds the next. One of the biggest challenges to consistency is the unpredictable nature of life. There will be days when you feel tired, overwhelmed, or discouraged. The temptation to skip, delay, or quit will be strong. But resilience is what helps you push through those moments. It is the voice inside that says, "This is hard, but I will not give up." Resilience is not something you are born with. It is developed through practice and experience. Each time you face difficulty and keep going, your resilience grows stronger. Consistency also requires patience. Results rarely appear overnight. Sometimes, you may feel like you are working hard, but not getting anywhere. This can lead to frustration and doubt. But if you keep consistent in your efforts, progress will come. It may be slow or invisible at first, but over time, small actions accumulate into big changes. Resilience helps you stay patient during these slow seasons, reminding you that growth takes time. Another important part of consistency is setting realistic expectations. Trying to do too much too fast can lead to burnout and failure. It is better to start with small, manageable goals that fit your lifestyle. Celebrate each small win because they build your confidence and motivate you to keep going. Consistency is a marathon, not a sprint, and pacing yourself is essential to maintaining long-term effort. Resilience shines brightest when you encounter obstacles. Challenges, failures, and criticism can shake your belief in yourself. But resilient people use these experiences as fuel rather than reasons to quit. They learn from their mistakes, adjust their plans, and keep moving forward. Resilience transforms setbacks into comebacks by changing your perspective from defeat to opportunity. Building consistency and resilience also means taking care of yourself. Physical health, mental well-being, and emotional balance are crucial. When you feel strong and supported, it is easier to stay consistent and bounce back from difficulties. Rest, self-compassion, and support from others are not signs of weakness, but tools that strengthen your ability to persevere. Accountability can boost consistency. Sharing your goals with friends, mentors, or communities creates support and encouragement. Knowing that others are watching and cheering you on can keep you motivated during tough times. Resilience grows when you feel connected and supported, reminding you that you are not alone in your journey. Consistency and resilience work hand in hand with mindset. Believing in the value of your goal and trusting in your ability to achieve it gives you the strength to keep going. When you face challenges, a positive mindset fuels your resilience and helps you maintain consistency. You begin to see obstacles not as roadblocks, but as part of the process. When you commit to consistency, you build discipline. Discipline is the habit of doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Resilience keeps that discipline alive by helping you recover when you stumble or fall behind. Together, consistency and resilience create a cycle of growth. Each day you show up builds your confidence and skill. Each time you overcome a challenge, you become stronger and more capable. Over time, this cycle propels you forward, making your dreams achievable and your journey meaningful. Mistakes are often seen as failures, something to be ashamed of or avoided at all costs. But in reality, mistakes are some of the most valuable teachers you will ever have on your journey toward your dreams. Embracing mistakes as lessons means changing the way you look at challenges and setbacks. Instead of seeing them as dead ends, you begin to see them as stepping stones, each one offering a chance to learn, grow, and improve. When you try something new or work toward a big goal, mistakes are inevitable. They show that you are pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone, exploring new territory, and daring to grow. Mistakes reveal where your plans or actions might need adjustment. They provide honest feedback that helps you understand what works and what doesn't. Without mistakes, progress becomes shallow because there is no real learning or reflection. One of the hardest parts about mistakes is dealing with the emotions they bring. Disappointment, frustration, embarrassment, or even fear of judgment. But these feelings are temporary. What lasts is the knowledge and experience you gain when you take time to understand your mistakes. When you choose to look deeper, you find clues to how you can do better next time. You develop resilience, patience, and creativity. You build a mindset that is open to growth instead of fixed on perfection. Learning from mistakes means asking yourself important questions. What went wrong? Why did it happen? What can I do differently? These questions turn mistakes into opportunities. They help you avoid repeating the same errors and guide you towards smarter decisions. The goal is not to blame yourself, but to find ways to improve and move forward. Another important part of embracing mistakes is giving yourself permission to fail. Society often celebrates success, but rarely talks about the failures behind it. But every success story is full of mistakes, trials, and errors. When you understand this, you no longer fear mistakes, you welcome them as part of the process. You understand that failing is not a sign of weakness, but a sign that you are trying and learning. It is also helpful to share your mistakes with others. Talking about what you've learned can lighten the burden of failure and bring new insights. When you share openly, you create a culture where mistakes are accepted and understood. This openness encourages others to take risks and grow too. Remember, you are not alone on your journey. Everyone makes mistakes, and everyone learns from them. Sometimes the biggest lesson mistakes teach us is patience. Progress does not happen overnight. Mistakes remind us that growth is a process that requires time and effort. They teach us to be gentle with ourselves and to celebrate progress rather than perfection. When you accept mistakes as lessons, you stop fearing failure and start embracing the journey with all its ups and downs. Mistakes also fuel creativity. When a plan does not work, you are forced to think differently, find new solutions, and innovate. This creative problem solving helps you grow, not just toward your goal, but also as a person. You become more adaptable, open-minded, and resourceful, qualities that are essential for success in any field. Mistakes are not something to avoid, but something to seek out and learn from. They build character, deepen your understanding, and bring you closer to your dreams. The way you respond to mistakes shapes your path forward. Choose to see them as teachers rather than obstacles. Allow yourself to stumble, learn, and rise again stronger and wiser each time.